Hey, what's going on, traders? This is Mike from Tactical Traders, doing some weekend scans, looking for some stocks for the upcoming weeks that are possibly going to make a move so we can profit on them. And right now I'm looking at ticker symbol PEIX on the daily chart on the past about 4 months of price history. So as you can see in the past couple months, this has had quite the move, going from around 50 cents a share all the way up to $7. So a very impressive move. So as you can see, the bulls are in full control. The price has been trading above the 50 SMA and the 200 SMA. And it's kind of a little interesting pattern. And I'm going to point this out now on the daily, so keep it in mind when we go into the smaller time frames. It's actually a pretty interesting little similarity, and I'm going to highlight that for you right now. But before I do, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps me out a ton. And if you like the video, subscribe. We do post these daily. Anyway, so back into the chat. So going back a little bit, we had this nice move down here all the way up to about $5. And then we had resistance right around the $5 area. A nice, solid number. So not too surprising there. And then for the most part, I would say that the support was right here around this $4 range. However, the price did drop below this. It did fail the $4 support, drop down, but did recover and get back into the trading range that is, I would like to call it a bull flag. They call it a bull flag because it's a bull pull, a bullish movement, and then the sideways consolidation of the flag. And usually when this pattern happens, you want to see that the area of resistance is broken with an increase of volume, and that's exactly what happened. We had a huge increase in volume, broke out of this consolidating channel, and then on to the new highs. And this thing can move, as you can see. This has some really good range in 2 months, moving hundreds of percents, but thousands of percents actually. But anyways, so this is an interesting pattern, and I just want to say it one more time, so just to try to keep it in memory. This little consolidation, yes, there was support right about here, as you can see, with these candles here, and actually also here too. So this was not a huge surprise, the 330, 335 area. But either way, usually with this type of consolidation, you don't want to see it drip that down that much. But it's just interesting to see how it failed this channel, came back up, regained itself, and then broke out to new highs. So just remember that. Bull flag that failed the support, came back up into the trading range onto new highs. Now I just want to pull up more of an intraday chart now. Not that one. Maybe. We'll do the 15-minute. All right, so the 15-minute. So very similar once again. So we actually had a little mini pattern right here before this breakout. Had a nice little upward trend. And then we had the resistance right around here, around the 620 area. We had that big volume come in, and the breakout happened. Now, just like on the daily, we had a nice bull pull happen. All right, up here to the highs. We had resistance right here around the 720 area. Oops. And then we had, for the most part, we had support, I would say, let's say right about here. This 660, 670 area. But like on the daily, it did fail that support. Go a little bit lower than most would be wanting, but then recuperate itself back into its trading pattern in this channel. So I wonder if this is going to happen like it did on the daily. If you forgot, just to flash back real quick, the daily right here. We have a lot more lines on the thing now. But it failed shortly, came back up, and then broke out onto new highs. So this pattern right here looks very similar to this pattern right here. All right. Sorry if the lines are getting confusing. But so it's going to be definitely something to watch. Look for the 725 area to be broken. If you're going to be day trading this, more momentum trading this, look for that 725 to be broken on an increased amount of volume, and then you can ride that up. At the range this moves, it can move pretty fast, and you could have a first profit taking, I would say. This last move was from about $6, let's say, to about $7. So about $1 to $1.25 move on the first breakout. So look for taking profits around the $8 to $8.25 area. This is definitely an interesting move. It can move fast, so be careful. And this might be getting to a little bit of an overextended area, but we'll see how much the bulls can push it and how long it consolidates inside that channel. Well, thank you very much for watching, traders. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. If you want to get into the chat room with us, we are offering a free 30-day trial to our live 24/7 chat room. You get to see our screens, our profit, our losses, our trade entries in real time. And follow us on Stock, Twitch, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, traders. And until next time, stay profitable.